I want to talk to you about something that happened last night.
What do you mean?
Well, you know how we said we were going to use a condom when we have sex with each other in order to protect ourselves from sexually transmitted diseases?
Yeah.
Well, last night we were drinking together and there were some pretty steamy scenes in that movie we were watching, and things got carried away on that sofa and we never used a condom.
I know, and I feel bad about it, but I really don't think there's anything we can do about it now that it's over.
Well, we can plan for the next time so that won't happen again because I really do care about this relationship and I want us to be safe. So, what do you think about us trying to use that problem solving thing that we learned about in Connect?
Okay, let's try it.
Okay. So, the first thing we need to do is to figure out what the trigger was when that happened. Then we need to figure out what our goal is. Then we need to brainstorm to come up with possible options, and then we need to figure out which is the best option for us.
That's right. We need to choose the step that works the best for both of us.
Yes, and then we need a plan of action in order to make it all work out.
Well, I think one of my triggers is feeling sexy from watching the love scenes in the movie and being next to you on the sofa. And I did have a few glasses of wine, which is more than I usually drink.
Well, for me, it's definitely the wine and the movie, and also the fact that we were on the sofa and I didn't have any condoms with me. That's another trigger too.
Well, so our goal is to protect each other. So that means one of three things. We could either not have sex at all, use a condom, or we could have sex without intercourse. I mean, we can enjoy each other without the risk.
Yeah, or we could come up with some other activities to help us take our mind off of sex. But the more I think about that, I really don't want to say goodbye to sex. So let's try to figure out some options for us to have protected sex. So what do you think we could do if we find ourselves in that similar situation?
Well, I could not drink so much, and that way I wouldn't lose control. I mean, it's not like I drink that much anyway. I just do so on occasion, but...
Yeah, but drinking a little bit every now and then, it can be fun, and I don't want to give that up too.
Well, maybe we can have foreplay without intercourse. I mean, we haven't done that in a while, and we both really enjoy that.
That's true. That's a good idea. We could try that. Well, what else can we try?
We could find a way to keep condoms handy.
Yeah, but the problem with that is that when I come home from work, I always take my wallet out of my pocket.
Well, I could keep some in my purse, or, I could go back to the bedroom. I mean, there's always the female condom.
Yeah, but when I think about what happened last night, I realized that at any moment one of us could have gotten up and gone and get a condom, but we didn't. So I think it's a lot to ask for one of us in the heat of the moment to stop and get a condom. I just don't think it's going to happen.
We could keep both male and female condoms in the little drawer in the table next to the sofa.
It's a good idea, and also we can make it a point to determine that if we are going to have sex, we can make the foreplay last longer, and then we can make putting on the condom a part of the foreplay.
That's actually a good idea. We have some very good ideas, so which one do you think sounds best for us?
Well, we need to figure out which one of these ideas we can work on together.
Well, I really like the idea of keeping both types of condoms in the table next to the sofa, and I think we can make an agreement to make putting on the condom part of foreplay.
Yeah, that's a good idea. In fact, I'm going to go and put some of my favorite condoms in the drawer.
I'm going to go put some female condoms in there, too, and the next time we're fooling around on the sofa, they'll be right there.
I can't wait to have to go to that drawer and get some of those condoms out.
Me, too.
I'm really glad we had this talk.
This problem-solving thing really works.